Hello, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another product review from Feelookart. I just took everything out of the box because taking it out of the box is annoying. This is a Christmas diamond painting. I hope you all like it. All the information will be down below, so you can catch that. Get yourself some, sales going for you for Christmas. So let's check it out. Wow, that's huge. I'm not gonna show this because, wow, I had so much in it. Oh, wait a minute, there's something different in this one. Okay, bunch of bags. No problem. Wait. Oh, there's a new pen. That's so cool. Oh, wait a minute. Check this out. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. No, let me check this out. Come on, focus. Get you out of the way, see what happens. Much better. I'm twisting it. You get to twist it at the bottom. There is a little piece coming up here. Oh, this sucks. I'll try this on my phone. I'll do a little short for it. Okay, that's impressive. I still like the colors. Okay, what else? What we got here? No change there. Spiky tweezers. Ah, more baggies. Two diamond painting tray. Come on now. I think they might be lacking this time. Come on. Stickers you can put on your baggies. And here we go. This is the wax you put in the pen. Okay, we're gonna. ah, Okay, let's see how we can do this. Come on. This is certainly new for me. I'm kind of glad they put something different in it. Okay, this is here we go. So we'll just put you in here. Can see it, right? I hope. Okay, there's that tug. Mm. Yep, it's getting harder. That means it's moving, I hope. Still, I like the pen. Ah, I went too fast. So I'll definitely be trying this out. Put you back in here. You get three of them. And I like the container it comes in. Okay, next. I think I'm gonna make a little short series on all the different types of stuff you get from Feelookart. Mm. Sorry for the delay. I just want to make sure everything's out of my way so I can work with it later. Work right from the last one. So, okay. Next up, oh, sorry that part took too long. Next up, time to show off the village. Okay. Well, mind you, this is Christmas, so it's going to have a lot of different type of colors. The colors are so much better in person, much more vivid. Ah, I like the cream yellow. I like cream colors. Remember, Christmas is coming up, obviously. So if you like what I'm doing and like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment and hit that bell. And if you wish to do more, please check out my About section. Don't forget, you can still do spins at Feelookart, get up to like 50% off or whatever. Don't forget to use my code. Don't forget to use the affiliates link. I'm trying to save money for Christmas. It's like everybody else. I think they're all the same color. Yep, they're all the same color. Yeah. This is the last train. Is that black? Yep, that's black. Okay. Now for the piece de resistance. I have to pull this back. Okay. This is 49 colors in it. I'm gonna have to do a short for this because I just don't have the space. Sit still. That is the main part of the picture. 49 colors. And it's called Christmas Town. It's really cute and really big. And it's, let's see if I can get this. 70 by 50 centimeters, 78 by 58 centimeters, 27 by 6, 27.6 by 19.7 inches, 30.7 by 22.8 inches. Okay. BMC coded. There's only 3 numbers, and it's alphas and all kinds of stuff. And this is, I don't know what that is. It's a long, long number. And the last thing I have to do is check the stick. I didn't check the stick on the last one I showed off, but the stick is always good on these guys. It's really nice. So what do you think, guys? Go check out my links. How about a bit? Say hello to your friends. Share. Oh, wait a minute. They got wings. I just noticed that. And I can read all of the symbols and whatnot. It's pretty clear. Nice bright colors. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Namaste.